Hello everyone, this is Parivash, and today I will talk about large area nanoimprint lithography for scalable AR waveguide manufacturing. First, let's talk about the AR waveguides and AI glasses. AI glasses are becoming a hot topic in industry, and everyone believes that now is a time for mass adoption of AI glasses. However, there are still some bottlenecks, and the main bottleneck for now is the optics manufacturing of AR waveguides. So, as surface relief gratings are become the main waveguides that will just make it possible to have a scalable AI glasses. However, there are four different areas that we see, that keeps them from mass manufacturing. The first one is scalable precision. So the waveguides, the AR waveguides, need a very nanoscale level precision, and current technologies that are producing them struggle to maintain this level of precision while they want to be scalable manufacturing. So as a result, the throughput is below market demand right now. And while we have the low yield because of this complexity of the production, and also we have the complexity of production, the costs are high, and so it limits the ability to just AI glasses to become a product for everyone globally. And the last area that I want to mention is fragmented production steps. So currently, different steps for production, like imprinting, coating, they are all performed as separate steps, and this decreases the efficiency and increases the costs, and also limits the scalability. Now, what I want to tell is how Morphotonics enables mass manufacturing of AR waveguides. So we as Morphotonics, we are pioneers in large area roll-to-plate nanoimprint technology, and started in 2014 in Veldhoven, Netherlands. We are now more than 50 people, and we have sold more than 20 systems globally to different countries, and right now we have three different platforms: Portis, Aurora, and Cypress. The Cypress platform is the one that has been engineered for AR waveguide manufacturing, and it helps high volume production. But how it helps? Our technology is very scalable because it uses it is fundamentally based on panel level nanoimprinting. So if we consider the wafer-based technology, we know that on a wafer-based equipment, we have one machine and it processes one wafer. So if we want to increase the throughput, we need to increase the amount of equipment. However, in our technology, we have a panel-based nanoimprinting, roll-to-plate nanoimprinting technology. So if we consider AI waveguides right now as a product, we can put 4 300 millimeter wafers on one substrate. And as a result, we can have much more products, and this helps us in increasing the ability to just scale much more better than wafer-based technology. But how our technology works? So our technology, in order to use our technology, we first need a master. The master should be provided by our customer, and when we have the master, we do the master upscaling. And after we do the master upscaling, we use the upscaled master for FlexiStamp upscaling. And then from there, using FlexiStamp, we just got the product. In the FlexiStamp part, How